class 6 of power electronics. Now here the SCR operation is explained, that is how the gate current helps in firing the SCR is explained here. When SCR is forward biased, this is the main supply, this is the gate power supply, high voltage, low voltage, load resistance RL, gate limiting resistance RG. Now when SCR is forward biased, this is positive, this is negative. The electrons in N region will be attracted by the positive of the power supply. So electrons will move up. Here the carriers are electrons in N region. In P region, the holes are attracted downwards by this negative power supply. What will happen? The electrons move up, holes move down. So the junction will not break down. Junction width will increase. So for the conduction to happen, junction should break down. Because of this, junction will not break down, because this is called as reverse biasing. Okay. When you give a positive current here, because of the positive polarity here, what will happen is the electrons in N region will be pulled downwards into the third layer. So electrons will rupture or break J2. A few electrons, the small current is enough, because once few electrons are forced to this region, what will happen is, due to the high voltage here, once the gate is opened, once there is door is opened, this will rupture the whole junction by this high voltage. So a small gate current only is necessary for the conduction of SCR. Once this SCR is fired, there is no need of gate current because of this high voltage. Once it breaks a junction, then it will force, because by force it will continuously keep the SCR in on state. You may ask, why in a transistor it needs continuous base current? Because in a transistor the construction is different. You have emitter, base, collector. Base is made very thin, emitter is large, collector is even large. But in a transistor, but in an SCR it is PN almost equal. There is a very slight difference is there, but they are almost identical. So due to this construction, in a transistor you need continuous base current. In SCR you do not need continuous gate current. There will be other things also. Deep study we are not going to do. We are more bothered about operation and application, not on R&D or research and development work.